Hey everybody, I'm just doing a quick video on cleaning my headlights. I know there are many videos out there about this, but I'm going to do it the cheapest way. I'm going to use WD-40 and I'm going to see if it works. I don't know if it's going to work, but it just seems the easiest way to do it. Let's see if it works. So I'm using my camera. I'm actually holding it in my hand, so I'm not using a tripod, so bear with me. I'm going to spray some in this thing. There's some WD-40. Sprayed it on. Let's see if this is going to work. Wow. It seemed like that cleaned that up pretty quick. These were all fogged up, and I just used WD-40. Now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to come back in a couple of days and see if whether they fog up or not, because sometimes people sand these and then they bond them and then they fog up anyway. So I hope this works, because that's the cheapest and quickest way, it seems, to clean a fogged up headlight. Look at that. These were all fogged up, and at night sometimes it doesn't project out very far. Wow. I am shocked. That really did work. Well, that's my video for right now. The next clip will be in a couple of days to see if it remains this way. See ya.